This is an additional video which has got two accompaniments. Okay, these are two dry bhajis. One is cabbage fugat from Goa and the other one is aloo gobi masala. One more thing I would like to say is there is a bunch of students, say 5 to 6 students who are vegetarian course people. So for them we are not putting up separate menus, only non-veg, the substitutes for the non-veg we are going to show it separately. Like next time when I show you machli amritsari, I will be showing paneer amritsari for them. Okay, that is the first thing. Second is I will be showing shahi gosht kurma for you all, for the non-vegetarian people. For the veg people I am going to show you shahi paneer kurma. The gravy will be the same, only the paneer will be a substitute for the vegetarians. Another thing is, now in this case also, so please note it down, the CRs, please tell the other people also that we are going to do the veg main courses in this way. Another main course what we are going to have is the veg kadai, which will be shown again along with the kaya masalachi usad, okay, or kaya vatanachi amti. It is the same thing which is made like how you make Malwani chicken curry. Since the Malwani chicken curry menu is shown to you all, this kaya vatanachi sambar, it is called as kaya vatanachi sambar or kaya vatanachi amti or kaya vatanachi usad. So it means the same thing along with the Malwani masala. The same way how the chicken is done, only the chicken is substituted with the black harbara, black gram, okay, which is cooked and added to the curry. So we will start with the accompaniments. For the cabbage fugat, the ingredients what I am going to use is the shredded cabbage, onions and chilies which are slit, curry leaves, tempering ingredients in the form of mustard seeds, hing and turmeric, a garnish of coconut and coriander. That is it. We don't use this. Turmeric is optional. Sorry, turmeric is optional. I showed you, but we are not going to use it. Turmeric I am not going to use because this color of the cabbage is so beautiful, which will give a beautiful color to the fugat. Now the second accompaniment will be aloo and gobi. Gobi is cauliflower which is cut into florets. Aloo which is boiled and cut into cubes or dices. Here we use the tempering ingredients in the form of coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric. Optional thing, you can put a pinch of jeera just to check the temperature whether it is hot. Vegetables for the masala we are going to use onions, slit chilies and sliced tomatoes. Again, did you see this? For this, because the vegetables are into big chunks or long, we are using the onion and chilies in the slit form. Now we will go and start with the preparations. Okay. This is the gobi which I showed you, the raw gobi. I put it in the warm water, turmeric and salt. Mix it and I will be putting this on the flame for boiling. That is one thing. Another thing is you can apply salt and oil, which usually you do in the quantity kitchen, and put in the oven. I am adding oil. Again, the container what you have to take is a bigger container so that the surface area is more and the cabbage gets cooked. Now we are not going to make the cabbage bhaji what everybody's mom makes at home. Okay, we are going to make cabbage fugat which is all done. Okay, crunchy but cooked. That is how we are going to start. Now as I told you that turmeric we are not going to add in this because this cabbage has got beautiful color. So I want to retain this color of the cabbage. That's why I said optional. This is to be done on a very high flame. When the mustard crackles, we will be adding hing, You should give time for the oil to get heated. Don't haste. That's why I am showing you this, how the mustard is getting heated. It's taking a little time. Okay, the oil is hot. I'm adding hing, curry leaves, and green chilies and onions. Everybody's mummy put turmeric in the cabbage. We will not put. See the color what you will get today. The natural color. Retain the natural colors of the vegetables. This is done on a high flame. Saute. Everything is stir fried. A little salt. Saute. This is the time we are going to add the cabbage. And mix it. Beautiful flavor of the ingredients along with the curry leaves. You are never going to cover this, otherwise what happens is this crunchiness of cabbage will be gone and this bhaji will be completely like a dead cabbage ka bhaji. Okay, this cabbage bhaji is done now. Cabbage fugat is done. What you are going to do is, the predominant thing which goes on the fugat is the coconut and the coriander leaves. So this is the cabbage fugat ready for presentation. Presentation भी दिखाऊं क्या? I am putting jeera to check the temperature. Then put the onions, sliced onions and sliced chilies. Now our aloo and gobi both are done. So what you are going to do is, we are going to make the masala and add the aloo and gobi and toss it. Now we are not going to brown the onions, just saute. I am going to put the ginger garlic paste and powder masalas. We have put red chili powder, so we are not going to put more, we have put split green chilies, so we are not going to put more of red chili powder. Just saute. Now there are chances of the masala getting stuck up to the base. So this is the right time we are going to add the sliced tomatoes and make a good masala with this. Now we are going to cook it till the masala gets done, till the tomatoes get properly cooked. और local language में बोलते हैं गलना. टमाटर गल गए. That is the time we are going to add little salt, because we have added little salt in the potatoes and cauliflower. So we will adjust the salt at that time. Now we are going to add the potatoes and cauliflower and little salt. Lightly mix the things because the potatoes are cooked, cauliflower is cooked. I'm going to switch off the flame and put the coriander as a garnish, and your cauliflower and aloo, that is aloo gobi masala, is done. Now we will present the cabbage fugat and aloo gobi. Beautiful multicolored bhaji, aloo gobi masala, hot and spicy, which is liked by everybody. As we have put coriander leaves as a garnish, I am putting very little coriander leaves. This is the aloo gobi masala. We will present cabbage fugat also. See the beautiful color of cabbage. Doesn't require any garnish. Natural color. So this is the cabbage fugat. So these are our two accompaniments which we have done, which will be used. Usually they are done in the Conti kitchen. Since we don't have time, so what we are doing is we are taking some dishes from Conti kitchen and showing it in the ITK. Thank you.